Hi everyone, today I am recreating Ariana Grande's wedding look. She looked drop dead gorgeous on her wedding day, but like, did we expect anything else? Mainly the hair is what caught my attention for her look. I loved like the half up, half down. I originally thought it was a ponytail, but yeah, I loved the sleek half up, half down with like the tiny middle part, so I did try and recreate it. It definitely would have been better if I like did something with my hair. My hair is super frizzy right now, and yeah, it's just not looking the best. Maybe if I like did, you know, a nice pretty blowout, that would have definitely looked super good. But honestly, this looks super cute, and this is like 3-day-old hair. So this is a really cute little hairstyle for, you know, several day old hair. And I also really like how the look turned out. It was definitely an easy look to recreate, and I don't know if I really got like the colors right because the pictures that she posted were really edited. So yeah, I just kind of based it off of like the shadows of the look. It definitely looked like a very matte look. I did add lashes and liner. I wish I picked different lashes, but it's just too late and I am going out right now. So I feel kind of like crummy about the way that my lashes look, but it just is what it is. And then I also did a liner, which I don't typically do, but I wanted to stay true to recreating the look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned if you guys want to see how I did this. It will be a voiceover, so hopefully you guys are okay with that and you like it. Let me know what you guys think. Wilma wanted to say hi real quick before we got going. Hey girl. I'm taking the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer, and I'm just going to smear that on my skin as you would with a primer. And now I'm taking my Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I used the shade 270N in the foundation, and I really like it. I think it's a great foundation for natural days or glam days, and it's pretty easy to sheer out if you need to. It looks really nice and smooth on the skin, and yeah, I just love how it looks. And now I'm taking a brush over the sponge application just to make sure everything is really nice and smooth and I don't have any like patches where there's excess amount of product. Now I'm going in with their brightening. Oh my goodness, my sister's cat is staying with us and he just knocked over like a whole bag of things. Anyway, I am going in with their brightening concealer now, the Rare Beauty. I also use the shade 270N, and 270N in the concealer definitely is lighter than the foundation, which sometimes it's nice, but right now I'm thinking it's like a bit too light for me. That's all right though. And now I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Loose Setting Powder. I'm really excited about the setting powder. I adore the setting spray, as you guys know, and they recently sent over their new setting powder, like the loose kind. And yeah, I'm just really excited about it. I can imagine it's going to be great, and it's going to be like a summer staple. So now I'm taking this newer Physicians Formula matte bronzer, and I've honestly been really enjoying this bronzer. I think it's a really nice shade for me. It's pretty subtle and pretty natural looking and just very smooth. It goes on the skin beautifully. And this is kind of where I start referencing the photo of Ariana Grande a little bit more, just with the placement of the bronzer. I'm kind of using it as my contour. I don't really contour, but I'm sure Ariana contoured that day of her wedding. But yeah, that's just kind of like what I came up with, and now I am kind of cleaning up my line a bit with some of the setting powder. That's just what I do to get kind of like a more defined cheekbone, and now I'm just blending it back out with that same brush I used. And now I'm going in with my Kosas eyebrow pencil. Honestly, the eyebrow pencil can be interchangeable. I am pretty excited to use this one up so I can maybe repurchase my Wander Beauty brow pencil. I really liked it when I had it. But I went through an entire thing of my Wander Beauty brow pencil. It was really awesome. I think I would definitely repurchase it, but I just want to go through the brow pencils that I already have because brow products kind of pile up, and I go through them definitely, but yeah, they pile up and I just want to go through what I have first. But yeah, Ariana has very different brows than mine, and I was not about to change mine up for the look, so I just did my brows as usual, and now I'm like coating them in clear brow gel. So now we're about to start literally the easiest eye look ever. I'm just using my Urban Decay Primer Potion, best primer ever in my opinion. But yeah, just blending that out onto my eyelids to make sure that nothing creases throughout the night. So now I'm taking this little Pacifica palette. It is an all matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm mixing together the shades Touched and Roused. And I'm just blending that into my crease. Literally, like, this is it. I put one other eyeshadow on my eyelid, and that's the look. But I've kind of like extended my crease a little bit, and instead of kind of rounding it out, I'm kind of trying to focus on doing my strokes a little bit more in a straight line. You know, Ariana's eye was very kind of drawn out, and I'm kind of trying to mimic that shape a little bit on my eyes, but obviously we look very different, so the looks are going to be different, which is no big deal. But yeah, I'm just kind of shaping my eyes to be like that. And now I'm taking this little nude shade from the palette. I was expecting to have to go over this shade with like a foundation powder, but I really like how it ended up looking on my eyelid. It was really natural and neutralizing. Sometimes lighter nudes like that in an eyeshadow palette, especially from the drugstore, can end up looking really gray on me, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. Now I'm going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. A little bit nervous every time I do my liner, but these actually came out pretty good. I really took my time with the liner, and my biggest tip to you guys would be really, like, when you go into liner, it's mindset, and I feel like you're golden. Really try and remember that your eyes are sisters, not twins. Your liner will be sisters, not twins. And honestly, like, once I started thinking about liner that way, I feel like I'm way happier with how my liner looks, and I don't spend so much time going back in trying to make it even, and then which makes it thicker. So yeah, I just kind of like leave it how it is, do my little strokes, move on. I'm applying lashes now, by the way. Skipping over the lash application just to save you guys an extra few seconds, and now I'm going in with my Oma Beauty matte lipstick in Angela. I really love how this lipstick looks on me. I think it's super flattering, but I do think for the actual like recreation of the look, I probably should have gone with something a little bit lighter, but it's fine, you know, no big deal. Love how it turned out anyway. I'm going in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, and now taking my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Seduce, and just kind of focusing it on a little bit over top of where I applied the bronzer, not on the apples of my cheek like I usually apply it. It didn't really look like Ariana was even wearing blush, so yeah, I just applied a little bit, and now I'm kind of like blotting my lip, maybe to like make it a little bit lighter, I don't know. And now I'm setting my face with my Absolute New York Pro Long Setting Spray, and that's it. And that's it. That's the final look. This is what I was able to come up with for recreating Ariana Grande's wedding look. I feel like I definitely could have used better lashes, and I personally just don't think liner looks the best on me all the time. And I think my lip could be a little bit lighter, but I think other than that, I love the look. Even with all the faults, I love the look. Like, she looked beautiful on her wedding day, and I really like this look. And I especially love the hair, even though my hair is really frizzy. But yeah, I love the hair so much. Super cute. But that is going to be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys liked this little voiceover kind of video. I don't do these anymore, but I used to do them all the time. So let me know what you guys thought about the video down below. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.